Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, Ethan's Little World. Today we're going to open a box, a new toy which we got.
A drone home?
It's drone home, yes. Let's open the Amazon box. It came, we put the belt. It came in Amazon, and we're gonna open it. Oh, wow, look at that. That's what we call a drone home. You guys know how to play this?
Yeah, I saw that in Tannerites.
That's right. So let's check it out.
You just got it from Amazon.
That's right. Okay, so let's open the box and check it out. Okay. All right. So let's open the box and see what's inside.
Yeah.
All right. Ethan is gonna do that.
It's drone home.
It's drone home. So let me help you to take it.
We need tape. There's a tape.
There's a tape in there. So we're gonna take off the tape like this. And lift it up and slowly. What is that?
Oh, what? It's the alien thing.
Airline thing.
Set it up, everything.
Oh, what is it? Is it a charger? Oh,
There's a one
on something. Oh, so this is a drone? Oh, wow. What is this? This is a drone.
But, yeah.
Yeah, well.
Look, why is the white there?
Why is there? Let's check it out. We need to read the instruction or no?
Yeah, we need to.
I think this is fine. I think this is the extra thing given to us. All right?
It's not extra.
It's not extra. So how do you set this up? I don't know. Oh, look like this. How do you play this?
I don't know.
How do you know?
But we can try this.
Yeah. What is that? Oh, you have to open this and put it something. Oh, you have to open with the screwdriver. Can you get a screwdriver and a battery maybe?
Do you need a battery?
Yeah, you need to have 4 AAA batteries. Can you have 4 AAA batteries?
Do we have AAA batteries?
Yes. Can you go get it?
Oh, we need to set it up.
I'm put it the wrong way. It's supposed to be like this.
Yeah, that's where you slap it when the aliens go.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
Why isn't that AAA name? We need let me see the constructions.
Quick instruction?
Yeah. Should we go around and should it go this way?
It doesn't matter what color it is. It's green. There's green and purple.
I think it's inside.
It doesn't matter.
Huh?
It doesn't matter which color it goes.
We do have green here.
Yeah, we
didn't see that.
That's okay.
No, we need to show how do we set it up.
Yeah. We're setting it up. It's a recording. So it is.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, so we just have to put it together.
It says 4.
Okay. Oh, we have a screwdriver here. Don't worry. It came with the screwdriver. Oh, I didn't even see it. See, this thing came with the screwdriver and a bunch of other stuff.
And aliens.
And aliens? Oh, these are the aliens?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that's okay. So we may need to charge our drone or no? Or the drone has a charge already?
Why they need charger?
I don't know. Give me the
4.
4. I said 4. Okay.
Protector ones?
Techno Pro Cell.
The other one's not Pro Cell.
No, that's okay. That's Duracell. As long as it's some cell is fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's,
So then you put it like this.
why you need a charger
For the drone.
when they don't run out?
When drone run out of battery, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is it.
Okay,
Now what we're gonna do?
put the drone in.
Okay, where are you gonna put the drone in the middle? You have a switch for the drone? No.
Okay, and it will fly, and then it will hit it. We can do
Oh,
that.
okay.
That's the red thing.
That's the red thing. What are you gonna do?
And
Aliens?
aliens.
Okay.
And then we'll do it in the floor. We can do it in the floor.
Yeah, but I just want to see here. It does work or not. Let's try here. Okay, where do you put the alien?
No, we'll hit to the wall.
Oh yeah, is that go high that high?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go to the floor all day. Hold on, let's go to our floor and we'll try there. Okay. Oh yeah.
When it goes inside of the thing through. Why is it not going?
Why is it not going? Maybe no charge.
No, it was trying to move, yeah.
Yeah, but it's not moving now. Maybe is the color green color need to go in or maybe the green need to go in. Get the
Last
green.
time it was orange was getting
let
in
me
too.
see. Let me see the green.
Let me
Go.
hit it too here.
Oh, you passed the foot. What's going on? You silly goose.
I think I can do the red thing.
Can you just put the green one inside? No. No, you have to put the green one in though.
On that thing?
Yeah, just change it and put the green one.
Get the green one. Let me see.
Last time it was not on 10 line.
I think no charge, that's why. Maybe the drone home needs charge. Drone needs charge.
Okay.
So what kind of work can do tomorrow? Okay? With the charge fully charged.
Got it? Because I will show. And when you put it back in, it'll still do it. Let me show you it. The whiz flies and everything. Okay, now put the drone in, and then take it out. Now I'm done. And I'm gonna kick it. And then kick it.
Almost.
Because of this. Keep it going. Oh, it takes me. See? But let me try to. You come here and then I will take a video. You do it. No, you didn't. Oh, you got it. Ooh. Get it?
Nice.
That's a good land.
Yeah. That landed.